Are you selling on Amazon and not VAT registered? Well, Amazon are going to be charging you VAT on their fees, and they shouldn't be. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to stop them doing this, and it's going to save you a lot of money when selling on Amazon. So make sure to stick around until the end to see how it all works. So first up, let's talk about what VAT actually is. Now, VAT stands for Value Added Tax, and it's a tax which is charged on goods and some service if imported from other countries and the EU. So VAT is a tax which is charged on most goods and services here in the UK, but it is also charged on goods and some other services in other countries when they are imported into the UK from other countries like the EU. Now, this video is all about those who aren't registered for VAT, so we won't talk about that too much, but if you were interested, we'll link another video just up here. Now, as a non-VAT registered seller, you do have to pay VAT when you're buying products most of the time. Now, if you were registered for VAT, you can actually claim this back, and there are lots of complexities about whether you should register for VAT or not. But if you are first starting out, it's not worth it. You don't actually need to register for VAT until you do £85,000 in turnover, and it's not worth doing it until you hit that point, because realistically, if you're doing Amazon FBA, you will become less profitable when you do become VAT registered. This video is all about VAT exemption and Amazon charging you VAT on their fees when they shouldn't be doing this. So this is what we mean when we say VAT exemption. You're going to be getting exemption from Amazon doing this, and it is quite cheeky that they do this, but that is Amazon for you. So why should Amazon not be charging you VAT on their fees? Well, the reason is that the entity, the business which is responsible for charging these fees, is based in Luxembourg, and because of this, it means they're not meant to be charging you VAT on their fees, but they still do. And of course, Amazon does not publicize this in any way, so it is a bit of a trade secret, and it's something we recommend all of our users to do because it is going to save you a load of cash every single month. Now, before we actually tell you about how to get that exemption, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive Profitl YouTube discount code which is going to save you some money on your subscription. We'll make it pop up just here. That's going to save you either 5% on yearly plans. Yearly plans already have over 50% off, so that's a 55% saving, or 20% on monthly plans. And make sure to take that down if you are looking to save some money on your subscription. Now, onto the all-important bit about how to actually get VAT exemption and to stop them charging you VAT on your fees. And it's quite a simple one. All you actually need to do is send Amazon a letter to apply for it. And what you actually have to include in this letter, well, we'll make it pop up on the screen, and we'll also include it down in the description as well. So if you do want to copy this, please just copy it from there. It's helped hundreds and hundreds of users. We'll make some of the users who got VAT exemption using this method fly across the screen. So what you need to say is, I'm a UK resident with a private limited company selling in the UK marketplace. My company name is, so name your company, and I have attached a copy of my certification of incorporation. The company has a turnover of less than the annual 85,000 threshold, and therefore we are not VAT registered and do not have a VAT number. From my understanding, our business should not be charged VAT on any Amazon selling fees. Therefore, I would like to register our business as VAT exempt on Amazon. Now, if you've been selling on Amazon a little while as well, you also want to make a demand to get your fees refunded. So they won't just stop charging you VAT in the future, they will also refund you the fees that you have already paid. So you can actually get quite a nice rebate back from Amazon. And it really is as simple as that. After a little while, you're going to hear back from Amazon, where hopefully you'll have confirmation that you're now VAT exempt, and hopefully you'll get a nice refund on the way back to your bank account, which you can use to purchase for more products. So we hope you have found that video helpful, and we hope to save you a load of money as well. So please do hit that subscribe button if it has, and also let us know in the comments any other videos you'd like us to make. We do see all of your comments. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.